In this video, I am going to give you a comparison between Printify and Printful, which is the best print-on-demand service. Starting a print-on-demand business on Etsy requires selecting a platform that aligns with your goals and needs. Printify and Printful are prominent contenders in this space, each offering distinct advantages for Etsy sellers. Understanding the differences and features can help you make an informed decision for your business. Starting with overview. Printify stands out for its cost-effectiveness and extensive network of third-party printing facilities. It allows you to access a broad product catalog, including clothing, accessories, and home decor. Automate the printing, shipping, and fulfillment process. And start with no upfront costs, thanks to its free plan. Although Printful differentiates itself by managing all operations in-house, offering a wide range of customizable products with emphasis on quality, global fulfillment centers for faster shipping, and more control over production process, albeit at a higher cost. Both platforms offer straightforward integration with Etsy, enabling you to sync products to manage your store efficiently. Printify simplifies the connection with direct integration, allowing easy product management, and Printful also provides seamless integration, complemented by resources like tutorials and a dedicated Etsy integration page for a hassle-free setup. Now we move to the pricing and profit margins. Pricing is a critical aspect when choosing between Printify and Printful. Printify generally offers lower costs, which can translate to higher profit margins for your products. However, Printful's higher price points are attributed to its comprehensive service, including quality products and faster fulfillment, which might justify the investment for some sellers. Product, catalog, and quality. Both platforms boast extensive product catalogs, but your choice might depend on specific product needs or customization options. Printify offers a wide variety with flexibility and choosing, with Printful is known for its quality and model mockups. Printful is renowned for its quick turnaround and quality products, though at a higher cost. Printify, while more affordable, may have variability in quality due to reliance on multiple suppliers. Now, for making your choice, choosing between Printify and Printful depends on your specific business needs. Printify is ideal if you're looking for cost-effectiveness and wide-range selection for products, allowing for higher profit margins. And Printful might be a better choice if you prioritize product quality, faster shipping, and are willing to invest more upfront for these advantages. Simply, if you like cheaper stuff or just small businesses stuff, choose Printify. But if you are choosing quality and ready to pay upfront payments, Printful is a choice for you. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.